everybody, I'm back. And today is Monday, which starts with an M. And you know what else starts with an M? Makeup. If you're new here, welcome to the Nail Coven. On Mondays, I've been playing with makeup, even though this is a nail channel. Today, I thought I would show you how I do my brows. Not to toot my own horn, but for some reason, I do get a lot of compliments on my brows. And we also do eyebrow shaping and waxing at the Nail Coven. So if you need help, call us, text us, Instagram message us, we'll help you. We got the brows, girl. We got them. Or boy. We got everybody's brows. We got brows. Okay, so let's get started. Going to start out with a brow pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in medium brown. And I'm going to use the Anastasia browber brow brush number 15. It's very dense and stiff. It's good for pretty much just like drawing on the lines. So I'm going to tap my brush into the pomade and get about that much on. I'm going to start the top part of my brow, and I'm going to start it kind of halfway because we'll be doing some blending work. Okay, so just that amount. Re-dip into the pomade, same amount on the brush. And now this time I'm going to start more towards the natural part of my brow and connect it up to the line I just made. Okay, until it kind of just naturally kind of runs into it. Now I'm going to fill in the in-between, and I'm just gonna tap it in. Then with what's left on my brush, I'm going to blend up this line up into the brow. And I'm just going to keep blending till it gets up to the natural top part of my brow. And I'm also going to blend it a little bit past the natural stopping point of my brow, just to extend it a little and give me some more brow. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, now I'm going to take my brow pen by Anastasia Beverly Hills as well in medium brown. Got like a felt tip, kind of like an eyeliner, and I'm just gonna make little strokes where I would like it to look like I have more hair. So a lot in the front here. and then just kind of little light strokes throughout the rest of the brow. Okay. Do the same thing on the other side. Lastly, I'm going to use a brow gel with a little brush and just comb it through my brows just to keep them in place. Wipe off the excess. Also just brush the hairs in an upward motion as well, just to create even more of an illusion that I have more brows than I do. And yeah, that is how I do my eyebrows. I obviously like a very dramatic look with my brows. So yeah, if you liked this tutorial, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Because, I mean, you don't want to miss them, right? I will see you in the next one. Bye.